Hello students, let us continue the session on linear equation in one variable. In the previous session, we had solved till question number 20. 21st question is, three consecutive numbers whose sum is 12 are, we need to consider x as the first term, then the next consecutive number will be x plus 1 and the next consecutive number will be x plus 2. According to the question, their sum is 12. Upon addition, we get 3x plus 3 equal to 12. Here 3 can be taken as common. We get x plus 1 equal to 12. Therefore, x plus 1 will be 12 upon 3, which is 4. So the value of x is 3. So if the first number is 3, the next number will be 4 and the next number will be 5. These are the three consecutive numbers. Question 22. The share of A when rupees 25 are divided between A and B so that A gets rupees 8 more than B is. Suppose if I consider the person B's share as x, if x is the share of person B, then A's share will be x plus 8. According to the question, rupees 25 is divided between A and B. So x plus 8, that sum must be equal to 25. So 2x will be equal to 25 minus 8, which is 17. So x will be equal to 17 upon 2, which is 8.5. 25 is divided, we get 8.5 as one share and another share will be 8 added to 8.5, which is 16.5. A share will be 16.5 and B share will be 8.5. Question number 23. A term of an equation can be transposed to the other side by changing its sign. If addition is there, it becomes subtraction. Suppose if x plus a is there, on transposing we get x is equal to negative a. The positive a has become negative a. Question 24. On subtracting 8 from x, the result is 2. The value of x is. On subtracting 8 from x, the result is 2. So the value of x will be positive 10. Question 25 is an equation which has to be solved. Let's solve it. I'll rewrite the equation here. It's x by 5 plus 30 equal to 18. So x by 5 will be equal to 18 minus 30, which is negative 12. So x will become equal to negative 12 multiplied to 5. This is by cross multiplication. The value of x will be negative 60. Question 26. When a number is divided by 8, the result is negative 3, then the number is, if I consider the number to be x, x upon 8 is negative 3. Therefore, the value of x will be negative 3 times 8, which is negative 24. Negative 24. Question 27. 9 is subtracted from the product P and 4. The result is 11. The value of P is, when 9 is subtracted from the product P and 4, so 4 times of P minus 9, the result is 11. This equation to be solved, so 4 times of P will be equal to 11 plus 9. So 4 times P is 20. The value of P is 5. Question 28 is an equation which is to be solved. Let me make some space for solving that equation. Let me rewrite the question. 2 by 5 times x minus 2 is equal to 5 minus 3 by 5 times x. Let's bring all the variables to one side. Becomes 2 by 5 times x, positive 3 by 5 times x is equal to 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. Here the LCM is 5. When 5 is the LCM, the numerators are to be added up. 2x plus 3x is 5x. So 5 and 5 they get cancelled. The value of x becomes 7. 7 is the answer. Question number 29. After 18 years, Swarnim will be 4 times as old as he now. His present age is. Suppose if I consider x to be the age of Swarnim, after 18 years, his age will be x plus 18. According to the question, as per the question, we have x plus 18 equal to 4 times his present age. So x minus 4x is equal to 18. So we get, this is negative 18. I made a mistake. This is negative 18. So negative 3x is equal to negative 18. X value, we get it as 6. So the present age of Swarnim is 6 years. Question number 30. Convert the statement adding 15 to 4 times x is 39. So 4 times x plus 15 is equal to 39. This will be the mathematical statement for this particular thing. Question 31. The denominator of a rational number is greater than the numerator by 10. If the numerator is increased by 1, the denominator is decreased by 1, then the expression of the new denominator is. When I look at the statement here, the new rational number will be having the numerator plus 1 and the denominator minus 1. According to the question, if I consider the numerator to be x, it becomes x plus 1 and the denominator is x plus 10 minus 1, because the denominator of the rational number is greater than the numerator by 10 and then 1 is being decreased. Therefore, the numerator will be x plus 1 and the denominator will be x plus 9. So the denominator is x plus 9. Question 32. The sum of two consecutive multiples of 10 is 210. The smaller multiple is If I consider the first multiple to be 10x, 10 times x, the next multiple will be 10x plus 10. According to the question, sum of these two consecutive multiples is 210. Now this is the equation to be simplified. 20x will become equal to 200 because 10 is transposed to the right hand side. So the value of x will become equal to 10. Question 33 to 48 are true or false type. Let's say one by one. Question 33. 3 years ago, the age of a boy was y years. His age 2 years ago was y minus 2 years. This particular statement is a false statement. The reason is 3 years ago, if I consider the age of the boy as y year, present age will be y plus 3. So 2 years ago, his age will be y plus 3 minus 2, which is y plus 1 years. Therefore, the given statement is a false statement. Question 34. Shika's present age is p years. Remove's present age is 4 times present age of Shika. After 5 years, Remove's age will be 15p years. This particular statement is also a false statement. Let me explain that. If I consider the Shika's present age as p years, then Remove's present age will be 4 times Shika's present age, so 4 times of p. So after 5 years, Remove's age will become 4 times p plus 5 years. So it cannot be 15p years, it will be 4p plus 5 years. Question number 35. In a 2-digit number, the units place digit is x. If the sum of digits be 9, then the number is 10x minus 9. Here the units digit is given as x and the sum of digits is given as 9. So 10th digit will be 9 minus x. Therefore, the number is 10 times of 10th place digit, which is 9 minus x plus the 1st digit, becomes 90 minus 10x plus x. This will be 90 minus 9x. As per the given question here, it is 10x minus 9, which is false. So the given statement is false. Now question 36. In question 36, we have sum of the ages of Anju and her mother is 65 years. If Anju's present age is y years, then her mother's age before 5 years is 60 minus y years. Here, Anju's present age is given as y years Then Anju's mother age will be 65 minus y years. So before 5 years, her mother's age will become 60 minus y, because from 65, 5 has to be removed. It becomes 60 minus y, which is a true statement. Question number 37. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 5:4 if the number of boys is 9 more than the number of girls, then the number of boys is 9. Here, if we consider the number of boys as 5x and the number of girls as 4x, then according to the question, the difference 5x minus 4x will be equal to 9. From this we get the value of x as 9. If 9 is the value of x, 5 times of 9 will be 45. So the number of boys will not be 9, it will be 9 times 5, which is 45. So the given statement is a false statement. Question 38. A and B are together 90 years old. 5 years ago, A was thrice as old as B was. Hence, the ages of A and B 5 years back would be x minus 5 years and 85 minus x years separately. To solve this, let me consider the age of A as x years. So the age of B will be 90 minus x, because A and B together they are 90-year-old. So 5 years ago, age of A will be x minus 5 years and the age of B will become 85 minus x. Hence, the given statement x minus 5, 85 minus x, it's a true statement. Question number 39. Two different equations can never have the same answer. This particular statement is a false statement. For example, if I consider 2x plus 1 is equal to 2, the solution is 1 by 2. If I consider another equation, say 2x minus 5 is equal to negative 4, in this case also we get the solution as 1 by 2. So two equations, this one and this one, the two equations, they are having the same solution. Question number 40. In the equation 3x minus 3 is equal to 9, transposing negative 3 to right hand side, we get 3x is equal to 9. Look at the equation here. It's 3x minus 3 is equal to 9. On transposing this negative 3, we get 3x is equal to 9 plus 3, which is 12. Hence, the given statement is again a false statement. Question 41. The equation 2x is equal to 4 minus x, transposing negative x to right hand side, we do not get this. Instead, we get 3x is equal to 4. So this particular statement is also a false statement. Statement number 42. 15 by 8 minus 7x is equal to 9. Then negative 7x will be equal to 9 plus 15 by 8, which is a wrong statement. This has to be negative. So this statement is also a false statement. Question 43. X by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. Then x by 3 will be 7 by 15 minus 1. This you need to simplify. On simplification, we get 7 minus 15 upon 15, which is negative 8 by 15. This has to be negative 8 by 15. So this statement is also a false statement. This question number 44, 45 and 46, I'll leave it for you to solve this question 44, 45, 46. Identify whether the given statement is a true statement or a false statement. With this question, I'll end today's session. Thank you.